Hey guys, so this is behind the recipe. This is like the behind the scenes, right? I want to hear what Parker thinks. I want you guys to see his reaction when he tastes it. Off camera, on camera.
Hey Mikey.
Yeah.
Taste it.
So taste it. Tell me what you think, Parks. Be honest.
It's different than I expect. I didn't know what to expect. I like the sweetness, and I like the what did you chop up? Ginger.
The ginger.
The ginger and sweet.
Because the ginger's, it's not like traditional spicy, like hot sauce spicy, but ginger has this kind of heat, right, that comes through, and it wakes up your senses. And this dressing, it works really well on kind of bland vegetables or items. So like cucumber, kale, tomatoes aren't very bland, but even the peppers, like it wakes everything up, if you know what I mean.
What would this sauce be on in a restaurant?
What do you mean?
Is there a certain dish that has this sauce?
In a salad. This is the traditional Japanese salad dressing that you get like before sushi, where it's basically like iceberg lettuce and like a tomato.
Right.
And maybe a cucumber.
Yeah. It's really nice because it's really a meal. This is a meal. I don't think I even miss not having protein in here.
Right. So before I made this today, I've never made this in front of you before. If you were eating this in a Japanese restaurant, what would you have thought was in that dressing?
Orange.
Like orange juice? Orange? All right, that's fair.
Well, it's where I'm not a foodie, because I usually don't know what I'm eating. I don't know what the tastes are. I just know if it is surprising and I'm like blown away by it, or it doesn't. I don't care for it. But it's always hard for me when you ask me what do you taste, because I never know what flavors relate to. I was never a foodie. But I would have thought the citrus of some kind.
Yeah.
I probably would have said onions.
Yeah.
Because I wouldn't think of ginger. I think of more.
Well, there is the shallot in it. And garlic. Anyway, it's good, right?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good. Okay.
I really like it. This is our dinner.
This is our dinner.
I'm grateful.
Healthy dinner on a hot day in California. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon.